MeghalayaPost.news.
Menteri Rangba Kajalau Conrad Sangma mentakas ngiula Kren Shai kedar sendon baka sorkar jala Nym Ktah IA yau Lumpongdeng hakabaya day berkata si resort and spa ha umyam barka sorkar kan pendonkam tangya kajaka beladon lepa ha orkid umyam. Ya kanila Kren Shai daw Menteri Rangba Conrad Sangma hadian ke cabinet meeting kabalalong mentakas ngi hanong ba shillong haba Kren kilat patay kobor Menteri Rangba ula pentikna baka sorkar Nym Ktah IA yau Lumpongdeng batkam day bakipaj ba kin Bishar ni Kren barka day karai ka sorkar hakabaya kani ula Dep Kren Shai la bon sien shakilat patay kobor Donkam shu bani Kren ne yakhi ahlor kani kaman kabaya day bat Lumpongdeng na marka sorkar kala Dep Kren Shai bakanam don AA ka jingtay ha Lumpongdeng bat ya kani kaman la Dep ban raida ka sorkar hakabay day berkajing syat ngan ucaman ke GTF Menteri Rangba ulaong baka sorkar kala Dep ban batha ya katanat ka kot kakya ban shim kya ahlor ka jing syat ngan nakabenta ban pej benya ya ka kot kakya jong chairman ke GTF shushu ula pensyai baka sorkar ru ke sngo kya ban penjot ya kamaryang bat kahab ban bud iki kendon bat kanam don kanu ke jing penjot ya kamaryang hakabay day bat kani ka project bat ula Dep ban pensyai bakin kta tangi ka jaka bahab hapo ka orkid umyam.
We have asked the medical department to provide some support. We have been monitoring from last evening, and I'm told some medical attention has been given. Of course, they are not willing to leave the location, which is fine in the sense that we do want them to go, but want them to go means to the hospital for their health. But after repeated requests, they have decided not to go. But at the same time, at the local, that level where they are having in Malki, medical attention is being provided. Manpower is there and doctors are there, and medical attention is being given to them. I think the important point, what we have to note and remember is that their main concern was the construction in the island. And we have made it amply clear to them and to the citizens of our state that there is no construction there. The construction is going to take place where the Orchid Hotel is right now, which is the Orchid Umyam Orchid. That's where the construction of the 5-star hotel will take place. So the main issue which they had, which was the construction in Lumpongdeng Island, I think that has been amply clarified, and I think everybody is quite satisfied with that aspect. So therefore, I don't see the issue anymore, and therefore there is no reason that we should continue this. Their concerns were already addressed, or for their satisfaction, they have been addressed, and no construction is going to take place there. So there is no need to continue this, and I have, in fact, day before yesterday, after I had a review, I had appealed to our members of the different organizations that since the issue is clear and there is no construction that's going to take place, which was their major issue and concern, there is no need for them to continue. And obviously, as the head of the government, we have appealed to them that we are concerned about their health. We don't want their health to deteriorate. We don't want them to get ill. So therefore, since the issue has been resolved, there is no need to continue any of the fasting that they're doing. And if there are any concerns, our doors are always open. They can always come and meet us. Director has met them and has expressed and clarified all the concerns. And whatever more details one requires, Director will be happy to inform whether the press or any of the organizations that are concerned. I mean, it's for the people to judge. It's for the people to decide. As I said, when the issue came out, issue was about the Lumpongdeng Island and the destruction of the island. And we have addressed that issue to tell everybody that the construction is actually in the Umyam orchid, where the existing orchid is. So there is no question of destruction of Lumpongdeng. So issue is resolved there. So therefore, your indications could be correct that there is no need for any further concerns because the concerns are addressed. It's not going to be done. Though there is if you want, because the government owns that land and environmentally things are very much within limits. If we want, we can. But even then, realizing that it would destroy the beauty of the location, we took a conscious decision even before this issue came out, that we will not allow. So therefore, we were aware about this before only. Maybe what our friend mentioned is right, that maybe at some point in time, the communication misunderstanding was there. But I have clarified now multiple times. So I clarify again, there's nothing, there's no concern regarding different political agenda and all these things. I don't have any comments on that.
MeghalayaPost.news